Ние ще приемем ли бежанци?
Това са наши роднини, това е нашето семейство. Ви като тегля една черта, един кръг.
On est dans une ville européenne et on a des tirs de missiles de croisière comme si on était en Irak ou en Afghanistan, vous imaginez?
These are not obviously refugees trying to get away from areas in the Middle East.
This isn't a place, with all due respect, like Iraq or Afghanistan.
These are not people trying to get away from areas in North Africa.
This is a relatively civilized, relatively European.
Parce que ça va être une question importante. Et on parle pas là de Syriens qui fuient des bombardements du régime syrien soutenu par.
Ça sera sans doute une immigration de grande qualité, en revanche. Ce seront des intellectuels, pas seulement, mais on aura une immigration de grande qualité.
Ensuite, parce que ce sont des Européens de culture.
On parle d'Européens qui partent à leur voiture qui ressemble à nos voitures.
We're playing in the latest pictures of some of the refugees trying to get out of Ukraine, looking at them, the way they're dressed. These are prosperous, middle-class people.
It's very emotional for me because I see European people with blue eyes and blonde hair.
These people, the Ukrainians, they're like us. They watch Netflix. They have Instagram accounts.
But he's a young child who was at nursery school, who was at, being looked after by their parents. Their parents were going to work, eating, drinking in cafes, doing the things that you and I were doing 2-3 days ago. Now the unthinkable has happened to them. And this is not a developing third world nation. This is Europe.
When you look at what happened in the last refugee crisis in Europe back in 2015, Poland was one of the EU countries that, was hesitant to take in refugees. Talk about what has changed and the different position now.
Yeah, well, just to put it bluntly, these are not refugees from Syria. These are refugees from neighboring Ukraine. I mean, that, quite frankly, is part of it. These are Christians, they're white, they're very similar to many people who live in Poland.
Est-ce qu'il faut peut-être que la France prenne sa part, en accueille certains sur le territoire français?
Bien sûr.
Le travail avec un financement de la part des nations pour que des campements humanitaires puissent être mis en place, mais pas chez nous, car nous n'en avons plus les moyens.
Il faut respecter la Convention de Genève, voilà, c'est aussi
On accueille des réfugiés, notamment.
bien sûr, bien sûr.
Si j'étais habitante d'un pays en guerre, je me battrais. Je me battrais contre ceux qui sont en train de détruire mon pays. Je me battrais contre ceux qui sont en train de semer le chaos, le meurtre de masse et les tortures. Je ne partirai pas dans un autre pays.